Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Samco Infratech. I am Shivangi Srivastav, Technical Engineer at Samco Infratech. Today I am going to explain you why discharging is important for any battery pack. When we have requirements of a specific capacities of battery pack, or when we need to find the actual capacity of any battery pack that we have used or made new battery packs, then we have to discharge them for finding the capacity of that battery pack. So through the discharging we can find our battery pack capacity and life, and can short the only those battery packs that can fulfill our requirements and other important aspects. Charge and discharge rates of a battery are governed by C rates. The capacity of a battery is commonly rated at 1C, meaning that a fully charged battery rated at 1 Ah should provide 1 ampere for 1 hour. The same battery discharging at 0.5C should provide 500 milliampere for 2 hours, and at 2C it delivers 2 ampere for 30 minutes. When we have need of a specific rating of battery pack for some special purpose, and after some time that battery pack lost their state of health or 2 cycles, then this incident can identify with the help of discharging, and then we can replace that battery pack with new battery pack. Like if we are using 100 Ah battery pack and after some time it must be lost their state of health, and suppose will be decreases the capacity up to 50 Ah, then with the help of discharger we will know this condition and can replace the battery pack. You can compare two battery capacities by ampere hour only if they have some same voltage. If two batteries have different voltages, using watt hour will be more accurate. 1 ampere hour battery can deliver 1 ampere current power for 1 hour. 1 watt hour is equal to 1 ampere hour into 1 volt. After every 30 charges, you should allow your lithium-based battery to completely discharge before recharging. This helps to avoid a condition called digital memory. Digital memory can mess with the accuracy of the power gauge of the device you are using. Memory effect occurs when a rechargeable battery is charged before its capacity is completely drained. The battery may then memorize the last discharge level and only accept that amount of charge in subsequent charges, therefore decreasing the capacity. It will recharge too and reducing its service time. The discharging rates affect the rated battery capacity. If the battery is being discharged very quickly, that the discharging current is high, then the amount of energy that can be extracted from the battery is reduced and the battery capacity is lower. For discharging the battery pack, we use a discharger machine. This is our 99 volt 40 ampere 1 channel battery discharger. Here you can see we have connected this battery pack with this discharger. Now we will know how to operate this discharger. For discharging this battery pack, firstly we have to set here the discharging voltage and discharging current. I will show you how to set the voltage and current. This is our first mode, discharging. This is our voltage setup. Here we can set the voltage. If you want to discharge your battery pack, you can put the value here that you want to discharge. So this is our battery pack has 48 volt, and the lowest value of this battery pack is 38. So I have put it here 38. Then tap on current. This machine has 40 ampere rating, so we will discharge this battery pack with 40 ampere because our battery pack has 100 Ah capacity. Now we can start the discharging through tap on start button. Now you can see our battery pack has started discharging with 40 ampere current. It will discharge up to 38 volt. The currently voltage is 46 volt of this battery pack. So this is all about 99 volt 40 ampere one channel battery discharger. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Please like and share this video, and for more videos and updates, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.